Well, first of all, I'd like to thank God for this win. Then recognize the other team; they were really hot. And sa team owner namin, sa management, to our governors, to the coaches, and I want to give props kay Ma'am CK who's been taking care of us, taking care of the players, lalo na. Just want to give props to her. Medyo she's working in the background. And kumbaga yung recognition. Yeah, Terra Firma was waxed hot to start. I think they were 50% in the first half. Tapos 4 na 4-point shots. They just cannot miss. Ito nga, yung sinabi ko before this game na we are not taking them lightly kasi at any given time they can beat any team. That's why those players are here as a PBA because they are capable. And I was very happy with the team, with the coaches, the help of the coaches, the whole team. Na we were able to turn it around. Yung adage na offense wins games, defense wins championship. Hindi lang ano yun, hindi lang saying yun. Ito yung nangyari ngayon. We cannot go with them ng ganito na makikipag-shoot out kami. We really had to defend. So after giving up 40 points, well, first quarter was 40, then dalawang 30 points. We limited them. We were able to limit them to just 11 in the fourth. I think that was the key. Defense was the key. So for this game, I give credit to the players for just believing. Kumbaga, we were able to bring it on earlier as compared to that Index game where we turned it on third quarter late. Ngayon, second quarter late, we were able to turn it on already. And mahirap kasi 24 minutes yun na nag-grind kami ng second half na yun. And Terra is a good team, nakita naman natin. They just cannot miss today. But thank you for this win and recognize the players.
Thank you so much, Coach Franco. Okay, welcome to the post-game press conference. Perfect from the 3 ka, may kasama pang 10 rebound. Napakayaman ng convert sa talento. Pero para sa iyo ba, ano ba yung pinapahalagahan mo kapag nasa court ka at paano mo gustong maiba sa mga teammates mo?
Pinapalagaan ko yung tiwala na binibigay ng mga coaches sa akin. Pag binubunot ako, pag pinapasok ako, binibigay ko lang yung best ko para makatulong sa kanila, sa mga teammate ko.
Ano mo gusto batiin?
Paano mo gusto maiba sa teammates mo? Yung iba, gusto mong gahin ba?
Yung effort, siguro kailangan triplehin pa yung effort para mahawa yung mga teammate ko.
Okay, we're now opening the floor to media. Thank you so much.
Siya na kayo, medyo mahihain tong bata nito. First time, Coach? I'm proud of you. Thank you, Coach. Really.
Kasi minuto mo hindi ganun ka-consistent. Ang fourth quarter, ikaw yung mga reason ba't nakapagay yung mga rebounds mo. Sabi mo lang na kahit ganun na yung sitwasyon mo, nagkaroon ka ng time para makapag-contribute sa panalo na ito.
Ready lang naman po ako kung sakaling bunutin po ako ni Coach Franco. Bibigay ko po yung best ko pag binubunot ko nila ako para makatulong po.
What is your thoughts on game? We all know yung nasa NCAA siya is one of the best players to run.
Yeah.
Game to the PBA.
Ano sa MVP ko?
Yung Coach, yes, champion.
Finals MVP. Yeah. Well, hindi naman finals MVP to eh. Second sa three-peat ba yun? Last sa three-peat. Last sa three-peat. So meron talaga tong batang to. Sa practice, ganun din eh. Yun nga lang, medyo yung rotation sa guards. Medyo malalim. I mean, at least for our team. Pero sa ensayo, maganda yung pinapakita niya eh. And naghihintay lang ako ng ganitong game. Kasi confident ako. It's not a matter of when. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Sigurado ako na naghihintay ako ng ganitong game galing kay King. Kasi yung sipag niya, yung dedication niya, yung IQ niya, yung skill set niya, alam kong he belongs in the league and talagang makakatulong siya. I'm just waiting for this. Hindi question kung mangyayari ito o hindi. Hinihintay ko lang to. So I'm the least bit surprised na maganda yung nilaro ni King ngayon. Yes.
Of course, with regards to King, pero si Alex Stockton, running through during the third quarter. Ano lang thoughts mo ako? Being the leader pa rin.
Yes, yun naman yun. We are 15 strong. Yung team namin, we are 15 strong. So everyone's capable. Alec was struggling during the first half. But nakuha niya yung rhythm niya during the second half. We need to understand, pagka ganun yung laro mo, well, at least those our main guys, lumalaki yung target sa likod. Talaga ni-scout ka, pinaghahandaan ka. So, umihirap. Kailangan mo i-reinvent yung sarili mo para makaging effective ka. Kasi nag-scout din yung mga kabilang team. Nagpaplano rin para sa amin. Pero maganda yon dahil habang sinusubukan ka, habang nag-challenge ka, nagkakaroon ka ng ibang facets sa game mo. So I credit Alec that na kaya niyang gawan ng paraan kahit yun nga, pinaghahandaan siya, naka-concentrate in defense sa kanya somehow. So good job rin to Alec on that part.
Coach, kailangan namin tanong to
Parang hinihintay ko na yan. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Go.
Coach, yung may balita nga, nagtitrade na nga si Jordan for Mike Williams. Pending na yata sa liga. So, just your thoughts on that situation and the prospect of playing with Mike Williams?
Well, right now, the situation is Jordan is still with Converge. I don't know the eventuality kasi that's above my pay grade. So, I don't want to speculate on that. Kung sakaling may ganun man, I mean, yung ano naman, kung ano yung order sa akin, anuhin ko susundin ko. I mean, kung sinong player yung ilagay or whatever, kasi inaandag sa team, we will find the best way how to synergize, how to mend them together.
Coach, do you feel like you have enough time to, kasi next game nyo pa is
11. Medyo 2 weeks
Do you think, regardless of what happened, do you think yung potential na Mike will be with your team, do you think nandun na siya sa system ninyo if ever?
Well, ako, I always look at the present Sabi ko nga sa'yo, sa ngayon, wala pa sa practice ko yung kahapon. Wala pa yan sa bench namin. So, wala pa. Yun lang. I will deal with that. I will cross the bridge when I get to the bridge siguro.
Miss mo ba si Jordan Lendig?
Siyempre naman po.
Pero kung dumating naman si Mike yan,
Siguro, gano'n po talaga. May nawawala, may dumadating ko. Kailangan mo natin tanggapin yung sitwasyon.
Wala na. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.